unbelievable. A man has been evicted from his home for dedicating his entire life to researching and building a machine that can run forever without any external power source. It sounds like science fiction, but it's absolutely true. Imagine, this machine is so perfect that it can harness the power of gravity and the elasticity of springs to maintain continuous motion. The secret behind this extraordinary machine lies in two key components. Flywheel. Like a spinning top, the flywheel stores kinetic energy as it rotates. Springs. The springs continuously compress and release, generating a force that pushes the flywheel, keeping it in motion. This process happens automatically and continuously, creating a sustainable and never-ending energy source. This isn't just a breakthrough, it's a revolution in energy utilization.